So I've been waiting for some new arrivals to come over, and for some reason my mailman always likes to put it in a corner. I don't know why, but we got our two little boxes here. So I move the boxes inside. The first one right there is actually really light, but the second one, it was kind of heavy. So I'm expecting a lot from it, and I hope everything's good. I hope nothing's damaged. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Malina, and today we're gonna do some new inventory unboxing. I love watching these kind of videos, and I figured why not show you guys what I got. So these are the new inventories that are going to be coming out soon. I'm so excited about it. And we have two boxes. So we have this one right here. This one's just a little one. And the one that I'm most excited about is the biggest box ever, and it's insane. So let me just like pick it up for you guys. It's a bit heavy. So here it is. It's huge. It says fragile, handle with care. So I'm excited to show you guys what's in here. Before we hop right into the video, I did want to mention that if you guys are interested in the headband that I'm wearing, this is our Daisy Knot headband. So cute, versatile. You can style this with any hairstyle, any outfit, any occasion. For this hairstyle, I actually just tuck all of my hair to the side, and you can just do any hairstyle you want. The cardigan that I'm wearing here is our Rebecca V-neck button down. It's super cozy. It's a bit oversized, but it's perfect regardless. And it's kind of like a ivory kind of cream color. And then it also has like little buttons down the middle as well. So you can either leave the buttons unbuttoned or you can button them up, either way. And you guys already know my all-time favorite leggings. I'm wearing them right now, right here. Alright, let's get into the video. So usually when I do inventory unboxing, what I like to do is, you know, open the box, check to make sure the inventory is good. I am a little bit nervous checking on the items because I have ordered from a new vendor. So the first box here is, I already know what's in there, but it is a new vendor. They're both new vendors, so hopefully they're good. If you guys are interested in me making a video on where you can find your vendors for like fashion, makeup, I can definitely do a video on that as well. Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so honestly, I always have trouble opening the box. I don't know why, but yeah. Let's just start opening this up. I never know which way to open the box too because they put so much tape on there. So yeah. Alright, maybe I should get my little invoice in here. Let's just open this up. You know what? I could have probably just peeled it. Maybe that's why they have. Yeah, I could have just peeled it. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Alright, so let's start opening this box up. Okay. Alright, so we've actually got quite a few things in here. I don't know if I can probably just show you guys quickly as to what's in here. Very cute little stuff in here. And oh, my packing slip, that's awesome. Right, so this is very cute and I love it so much. So these are brand new hair clips. So these here are brand new hair clips that we're gonna have in the store. They're actually very, very luxurious looking. Lots of beautiful shininess to them. And I'm so excited for this. As you guys can tell, I love hair accessories. It's just the perfect thing to add into your outfit. Plus, it's like, you don't have to do much about it. You know, you just put it in your hair and leave it until whenever you want to take them off. It's very cute. Let me just see, can you guys, I will do like a close-up on it, so hopefully you guys can see that. But this is very cute, and I'm so excited that I found this vendor because they had a bunch of different hair accessories from the ones I've bought before, so this is very exciting. Let's see what else. They're also like, I also got like different colors. So this one here was like the black one, if you guys want to see a close-up on that. So there you go. I like that they give you bags in it as well. So they give you like these little bags to put in your hair accessories. Very helpful. And let me just see. Oh, I can show you guys this. This one is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger, just depending on the size and stuff that I saw online. So this one's a bit different from the styles that we have so far from hair clips. So we have these kind of styles. There's 3 different styles of these. So there are 3 different styles of these, so here's a little close-up. But yeah, I'm excited to add these to the shop. I think they're very cute. And they have, like, they look like they're really good quality as well. So, happy about that. And I think everything else that's in here, it's more hair accessories. I will definitely have another video out for the new arrivals like I usually do, showing some close-ups of it as well. And if you guys want to see more of what's in the box, definitely follow me on TikTok at Shop You're Beautiful. I'll have it down below in the description box, so that way you guys can follow and get up-to-date news, also little sneak peeks and stuff like that. So let's move on to the second box, and I'm so excited for this box. Oh my god, like, no words can describe it. I'm very excited. It's a brand new, this is completely new to the store, because I've never added these into the store, but I'm hoping you guys will like them, and then we can definitely add some more. Okay, so we're moving on to the second box. This box is huge. I don't know if I can, like, I can show you a little bit of it, but it's gonna be hard to open it while holding it. So this box is huge. I don't know where to start. That's the point. Like, where's the beginning and where's the end? I really can't see it, so I think I'll just cut into it, because there's a lot of tape on this too. So I mean, I like it and I don't like it because, well, I like it because the vendors want to make sure that nothing happens to the item, nothing, like, the box doesn't open up. But again, so much tape, I don't know where to open it. I think I'll just start with the side of it. That's probably the best choice. I don't know, honestly. Well, I cut it to the side already. So, did I have to, like, I don't even know where's the opening. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna open it from the side. If it's the wrong way, oh well. Let's see. Cut that up. Yeah, I definitely would say, like, yes, put tape to secure it and stuff, but, like, don't put too much tape so that way we can't even see it. This video is just gonna be basically me struggling with opening the box, and yeah, it's just gonna be that. Okay, so I got it open. I'm pretty sure I opened it the wrong way, but I mean, what else do you want me to do? Okay, so I finally got it open, and little hint, you can definitely smell what this is. It's, like, right away very fruity, and I'm not complaining. Love the smell of it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I opened the box wrong, but it's fine. I don't really care. So there's a bunch of stuff. They put some in boxes and some not in boxes. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. Here you go, a little quick sneak peek. But did you notice what's in there? Because I'm super excited to add these to my store. And who knows, maybe in the future we'll have some more collections that are specifically made by You're Beautifull. So let me know down below if you guys are excited for these new arrivals. I'll show you a little bit of a sneak peek of what's in here, but I'll also show sneak peeks on my TikTok as well. Okay, so I don't know where to start. There's a bunch of stuff, and some are in boxes that I'm gonna have to open. What is this? Oh, that's cool. They write, like, little checked. So I'm assuming if they write checked, that means they checked quality control. So I'm hoping nothing's broken. Alright, so the first box that I'm gonna show you guys, this is bubble wrap, is this product here. I'm super excited for this. So here it is. We are adding some lip gloss, lip oil to our makeup collection, and it's the first thing that we're adding to our makeup collection. So lip gloss, lip oils, and just kind of like nice, healthy hydration for your lips. And I'm excited about these. So these definitely smell like roses. So these are like rose hip oil lip gloss. So they're gonna hydrate your lips, keep it nice and smooth, and have a really nice shine to them. Alright, so the next one we have here is some fruit burst. These are so cute. They smell just like the fruits here. So we have like some pineapple, peaches, cherries. These are very exciting, and it smells so good. I love it so much. And guys, I think I will show you guys one more. And I think these are, okay, so these are like more of the roll-on lip gloss, and they come in different flavors as well. There's a bunch of different flavors. The packaging is wicked cute, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So we're gonna have a bunch of these here, and then there's also some more stuff in the box. But I will definitely do another video to show you guys what's new, what's coming to the store, and I hope you guys are excited. I love makeup so much, so very, very excited to show you guys what we have in store for you, my loves. So it's the next day, so I decided to take some product photos for the new inventories that we have. As you can see, I have some flowers here, and I think I'm going to do some flower backgrounds of some of the new inventories, and you guys can kind of just watch along, see my thought process, and I'll try to show you guys some close-ups if possible, but usually when I take pictures, it's just like go, 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 go. It's just like boom, boom, boom. That's it. Let's get to the next one. Alright, so I decided to do maybe a layout like this. It's the first time I've ever used flowers, and I feel like this looks really cute. I think I'll change the position of the hair clip just to see if there's any better way to capture this hair clip. Hey guys, so just a quick check-in. I am working on a new hair clip. So this is how I styled it, and I thought it would be cool to see how it would look like on the flowers. I can't wait to start editing these pictures just to see how they come out. Alright guys, so I'm halfway done with all of the clips. I wanted to show you guys this clip here. It's so pretty. It's definitely different from what we have so far in the shop. So definitely grab it once it's out. And I am still working on the flower background. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that way you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!